First, you need to search NumberUpDown on Toolbox. Change the font and text alignment properties. Run the application. Press the arrow up and down to change the value. Through modifying the increment properties to a specific number, this will be the corresponding number count for the NumberUpDown. The maximum properties will determine the endpoint or number of the NumberUpDown. Test again for another maximum value greater than 10. Minimum property is for the minimum or end number. By changing the read-only property, the user cannot change or write a value from the NumberUpDown, but it will stick to the minimum and maximum value of its property. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.